respected members of the Board of Trust, Sanjeevan Vidyalaya Panchgani, dearest alumni, distinguished guests, colleagues, and well-wishers. We are glad to have you amongst us for the 99th commemoration of Sanjeevan Vidyalaya. Your presence, dear all, has added grace to this occasion. And now, the report of the year 2020-21. The academic year 2020-21 has been a year of challenges due to the pandemic, not only for us, but the entire world. Hence, students and teachers have resorted to technology and online learning with a lot of creativity and patience. Academics were conducted as per the requirement of the CBSE board. Co-curricular activities were hosted on a wide and broader scale, and each class was given a chance to put up a program in which our teachers put in sincere efforts to meet the demanding time. Here's mentioning a few achievements of students' participation. Handwriting competition at state level. Quiz competition organized by Pune College. Hindi essay writing competition in which the student secured the 4th position. Participation in Lok Geet solo organized in Pune. A certificate of participation and trophy for a Povada presented to bring awareness about COVID-19. This year, we've had 100% results in IGCSE section Cambridge Board, held in the academic year 2020-21. An IGCSE student, Master Chirag Salvi, has come out with flying colors with a percentage of 94% and secured A star in all the subjects. Master Ved Bavarkar has secured 87.4% and is a recipient of A star in maths and physics. We are going to make a drive for more students for IGCSE. We are also planning short vocational courses for those who want to join in. Our technology group has put in creditable efforts, and our classrooms have been equipped to reach out to more than 30 students at a time. The new academic year 2021-22 has commenced with a bang with our commemoration day. Dear friends, bearing in mind that there is no chance, no destiny, no fate that can hinder or control the firm resolve of a determined soul, we barge ahead like dauntless men and women who refuse to be subdued for the glory and honor of our acclaimed and elegant Sanjeevan. God bless you all with good health and good luck in all your endeavors. Thank you.
Namaskar. Sanjeevan Vidyalaya is standing on the threshold of its centenary. I am blessed to have the privilege to pay homage to the founders of my alma mater, Sanjeevan Vidyalaya. May we get inspired by the sacrifices and tenacity of the founders to move forward to another 100 years. Sanjeevan must make all-out efforts to bring back the joy that weaver in learning and living. Let us join hands to make Sanjeevan a pace-setting institution in education in spite of the uphill climbs and mountains of difficulties. Wishing you a long life, Sanjeevan, with love and feelings of gratefulness towards all who have helped to make Sanjeevan the Sanjeevan.
Sanjeevan 2013.
Hey, I'm Aishwarya, an HR by profession.
I am Sanjeevan too. I study in grade 9. I am dreaming of opening a school for photography.
Oh, that's nice.
When the past meets the present, nature spreads a carpet of vibrant hues. Look at the red carpets of flowers and the lovely sunsets.
And the Sanjeevan Greens.
अरे बाळा काय झालं ये इकडे. अरे दाखला दप्तर हातात घेऊन शोधत काय रे फिरतोस तू. हा. अरे दाखला दप्तर हातात घेऊन शोधत काय रे फिरतोस तू. पुरात मोठं सपान बाळगून बावरून काय रे शोधतोस तू. जी जी र जी माझा राजा तूर माझा सर्जा तूर माझा राजा तूर. हे 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 हा.
इतक्या साऱ्या शाळांमधून कोणती शाळा निवडू मी? अरे इतक्या साऱ्या शाळांमधून कोणती शाळा निवडू मी? जीवन विद्या शिकण्यासाठी आधार मजला देईल जी जी रजी माझ्या राजा तूर माझ्या सर्जा तूर माझ्या राजा
अरे हातच्या कंकणावर कशाला कस्तुरी मृगावाने फिरतोस तू. हा. अरे हातच्या कंकणावर कशाला कस्तुरी मृगावाने फिरतोस तू. संजीवन स्वागता तयार असता काळजी कशाची करतोस तू. जी जी रजी माझा राजा तूर माझ्या सर्जा तूर माझ्या राजा तूर. हे 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 हा.
आमंत्रित तू करतोस मजला वैशिष्ट्य तिचं सांग रे तू. अरे आमंत्रित तू करतोस मजला वैशिष्ट्य तिचं सांग रे तू. गोंधळ आमच्या मनाचा मिटून मार्ग आम्हाला दाखव तू. जी जी र जी माझ्या राजा तूर माझ्या सर्जा तूर माझ्या राजा तूर.
अरे पुस्तकी किडा बनवत नाही कौशल्य विकास करते ती. हा. अरे पुस्तकी किडा बनवत नाही कौशल्य विकास करते ती. मायेच्या ममतेने बाळा जीवन विद्या देते ती. जी जी रजी माझा राजा तूर माझा सर्जा तूर माझा राजा तूर. हे 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 हा.
Even we want to see such a school.
चला तर मंडळी चला संजीवन मध्ये.
Didi, can we also come with you?
Sanjeevan welcomes you. Come one and come all. Let's go on a journey from the past to the present.
Brush up your memories and come for a walk and see the school where the birds sing and the children laugh and run around freely and create lasting bonds of friendship.
You become an entrepreneur of your life. Learn to steer your life and take everybody along with you. So, here we go.
It's the 3rd of July 1922. A cold, rainy morning on the little hill station of Panchgani, nestling in the lap of the Sahyadris, home to birds of every feather. The thirst for independence was driving young Indian minds to look for and to nurture Indian culture and Indianness, as India was under British rule.
Just imagine what an urge it must have been that brought the two Pandit brothers to start a school in Panchgani in such torrential rains.
So the two young men landed in Panchgani fired with a mission at a quaint little place called Glen Terrace. They were here to set up a unique place of learning loaded with Indian values and the world culture.
And thus started Hindu High School, which today flourishes as Sanjeevan Vidyalaya. It was not just another public school in the British mold, but a true product of the soil. The Pandit brothers, along with Vasunana Kalamkar, the third member of the founding trinity, started cultivating an ambience that would preserve our Indian heritage. It was an uphill task in those days of British rule, but they persevered with active help from Srimati Manorama Bai Pandit, Srimati Kamla Bai Pandit, and Chimutai Kalamkar. For the Pandit brothers, Hindu High School was an oasis that would shelter rural and urban India, bringing them together to nurture learning and growth for decades to come.
You'd be surprised to know that the school started with just 3 students, 2 resident students, late Shri Pragji Dosa, Shri Pratap Bhogilal, and one day scholar Shri J.G. Bodhe. Shri Pragji Dosa became a well-known writer of children's books in India and abroad. The American flag was flown half-mast when he passed away. Shri J.G. Bodhe, an eminent engineer and architect, rose to become the Sheriff of Bombay. Shri Pratap Bhogilal became a well-known industrialist and a trustee of Sanjeevan Vidyalaya and started school in Gujarat. The St. Peter School, our immediate neighbor, offered part of their grounds, and the Hindu High School started operating from here in the initial years.
The Ratan Cottage property, purchased in the year 1935 to construct classrooms, an assembly hall, a trust bungalow with dormitories, leak-proof huts for classrooms, and the present central dining hall, was the first landmark in the life of Hindu High School. The 1940s was the period marked by the Second World War. Would you believe it? The basement of the trust bungalow was designed as a bomb shelter, where all students and staff would rush every time a siren was heard. The painstaking efforts of the founders met with success. Within no time, Hindu High School started to grow and flourish.
जोपर्यंत मनाला आशेचे पंख असतात, हृदयामध्ये ध्येयाचे वादळ असते, तोपर्यंत येणारा प्रत्येक क्षण हा आपलाच असतो. बघता बघता 25 वर्ष लोटली.
The school emerged like a phoenix from this Holocaust, stronger than ever. The 25-year-old Hindu High School was renamed Sanjeevan Vidyalaya. Some eminent alumni extended their hands to strengthen the efforts of the Pandit brothers, and Sanjeevan Vidyalaya Trust was formed. A special function organized in Mumbai highlighted this milestone, the completion of the Silver Jubilee and the institution of the trust, comprising the two Pandit brothers and Shri J.G. Bodhe, Shri J.K. Munshi, Shri Babubhai Chinoy, and Shri Nilkant Kalyani, all past students of the school.
Shri Sharat Chandra Pandit, or Sharad Nana, as he was fondly called, took over as the first principal of Sanjeevan Vidyalaya. An avid reader and a first-class athlete, Sharad Nana led from the front, be it in the classroom or on the sports field. A flurry of sixes was certainty every time he stepped on the pitch. Under the newly formed Sanjeevan Vidyalaya Trust and Sharad Nana's stewardship, Sanjeevan crossed a series of new milestones. LLC 2 and 3, then called Fuller Lodge, was purchased. The house was built after receiving a token grant of Rs 1,25,000 under the Government of India scheme for strengthening good residential schools in India. We can proudly add that then educational advisor to the Government of India, Dr. J.P. Nayak, visited the school and remarked that Sanjeevan is my dream school.
The Deputy High Commissioner of UK visited the school to launch the Duke of Edinburgh Award scheme. Our student Sameer Patwardhan, who later joined the Indian Navy, was selected to go to the UK under the scheme. Today, the scheme is run under IAYP, that is, International Award for Young Persons.
याच काळात वपू काळे, लक्ष्मण शास्त्री जोशी, व्यंकटेश माडगुळकर, सदानंद मोरे यासारख्या मराठी लेखकांनी शाळेला भेटी दिल्या. हास्य सम्राट पु ल देशपांडे यांची भेट विशेष संस्मरणीय ठरली. त्यांनी लिहिलेली बटाट्याची चाळ, विठ्ठल तो आला आला या नाटकाचे प्रयोग शाळेच्या बालनटांनी शाळेच्या सभागृहात केले.
All things come to an end, and so did Sharad Nana's dynamic tenure. His passing away on the 4th of February 1983 left behind a legacy of liveliness, of energy and exuberance.
ना किसी से गिले शिकवे, ना किसी से होड़, ना किसी से गिले शिकवे, ना किसी से होड़, मेरी अपनी मंजिलें, मेरी अपनी दौड़. आदरणीय सरलताई, गिजरे सर और शशिताई के नेतृत्व में नित नई मंजिलें हासिल करने का सिलसिला जारी ही रहा.
Many heads and many hands rallied around them to take forward the great legacy, the legacy of learning that is not confined to books or to classrooms.
Sanjeevan's journey continued, reaching new milestones by the day.
The Rural Center for Educational Studies and Development Programs came up next to the swimming pool to conduct add-on learning programs for children and teachers, in particular for rural children and women. The RCESDP was declared as a center for the NIOS, National Institute for Open Schooling.
In 1995, the Fine Arts Center, a hub for the visual and performing arts, created in Campus 2. A Learning and Living Cluster, or LLC-2, came up in Campus 2 around a beautiful banyan tree designed by international award-winning architect Sri Shirish Berry, a nature lover. A tennis hard court was built in Campus 2. General Narendra Singh, Director General of Sports Authority of India, launched a training program for sports scholars. Sanjeevan was declared as a venue of a national integration camp.
MPH यानी मल्टीपर्पस हॉल सन 1987 में भारत रत्न स्वर्गीय पंडित भीमसेन जोशी की दमदार आवाज से गूंज उठा. वे खास इस सभागृह का उद्घाटन करने आए थे.
In 1998, Dr. Raval, director of Nehru Science Center and Planetarium, laid the foundation stone of Vocational Training Center on the 2 acres of land donated by Ushatai Bode and late Sri J.G. Bode, past student and chairman of the Sanjeevan Vidyalaya Trust. In 2003, the school received the ISO certification. Wing Commander Sharad Thakar took the initiative in introducing the Future Leadership Program with the aim of inspiring children to enter the defense services. Trustee A. Marshal Kulkarni, General B.T. Pandit, and Vice Admiral Avti were the special resource persons for this unique program. In the same year, A well designed girls' dormitory came up in the place of erstwhile assembly hall.
वर्ष 2007 महाराष्ट्र शासनाच्या आदिवासी विकास प्रकल्पाच्या अंतर्गत 119 विद्यार्थी संजीवनमध्ये दाखल झाले. शिक्षण तसेच क्रीडा व कला कौशल्य आत्मसात करू लागले. वर्ष 2009 महाराष्ट्राचे राज्यपाल श्री जमीर यांनी शाळेला भेट दिली आणि संजीवनला एकात्मिक विकास प्रकल्पाचे केंद्र म्हणून घोषित केले.
With the aim of aligning Sanjeevan with global trends, an IGCSE stream affiliated to the Cambridge University London was launched in the year 2011.
पंछी का मधुर चहकना और फूलों का वो महकना, पतझड़ में झड़ता पत्ता, वो मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. पंछी का मधुर चहकना और फूलों का वो महकना, पतझड़ में झड़ता पत्ता, वो मधुमक्खी का छत्ता.
फूलों से भरा संजीवन, फूलों से खिला संजीवन, बच्चों से भरा संजीवन, हंसता गाता संजीवन.
पेड़ों से भरा संजीवन, फूलों से खिला संजीवन, बच्चों से भरा संजीवन, हंसता गाता संजीवन. संजीवन 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 या संजीवन.
Quite a few of our past students have earned name in their respective fields as doctors, engineers, businessmen, musicians, theatre personalities, choreographers, and so on. Some of them are serving the community as ministers and leaders.
The old makes way for the new. New buildings replace the earlier ones. What has not changed over the years, though, is Sanjeevan's commitment to build structures that are far more than just brick and mortar. Sanjeevan is a school with no frills, but a special ambience of participatory efforts by one and all, to learn to live, to grow, to share, and to learn to learn.
We end this 3rd July 2021 Commemoration Day program with a very special prayer by the children, of the children, and for the children.
अब तुम जा
Respected Shashitai, respected Laxmitai, and all of you who have gathered here. We have seen a very inspiring journey of Sanjeevan, and normally on every year this day we see this. So what Ajit just shared with us, I completely agree with him, because I am also a parent of twins who passed out from this school, and what he said, that the courage by which you can follow your mind rather than following what everyone says or the traditional ways, that courage, that strength, and that confidence to get into this challenging life with what they think right and pursue, I am seeing with my own kids. So this is my personal experience. We have also seen the children's song and their dance, the energy which comes from them. We have to take that. I'll just share only few moments. Basically, all of us know Ajit expressed, Deepak ji expressed about the pandemic and the challenges. These things are going to come. Today we are facing corona, tomorrow we will be facing something new challenge. Different challenges will come. The school has faced so many challenges, and it is, like we say, came out like a phoenix. So the school and we all should not be worried about such calamities which are temporary. The legacy of the school now coming to 100 years is much more, and the strength, the main strength is coming from all of you, the alumni, the people connected with school for so long, the teachers, the staff, everyone who have given their life for the school. So the energy is coming from that. My sincere appeal to all of you is, in spite of whatever is happening around us, when there is a problem, there is a way out. When there is a problem, there is a solution. And there are bigger solutions, better answers. So let us not get bogged down by the current situation or the situation for last 1.5 years. We have ample of new opportunities coming in every sphere of life. May it be business, education, come what we say. So let us look with new energy, let us look with new passion, new vision, and let's make every day from today till the next year same day a day wherein all of us each day will contribute something towards school, so that day by day we get back to the strength which we already had and grow much more bigger, much more with more passion, with the spirit which Shashitai has shown for last so many years. It's our responsibility to take it further for next 100 years and years to come. Saying this is easy. Doing this is more important. Preaching is always easier, but actually, so I am requesting, let us not think that something we can do on the next 364th day or 365th day, because again on that day we will come short of something. I am requesting all of you to start thinking from now, so that every day we can come with some theme, we can come with some momentum, we can build that momentum, come with ideas, and then do something such meaningful in this 365 days, so that next 100 years school can relish on that. So my sincere appeal to all of you, and whatever things you have in your mind, please get back to us. We have time to sit with you, we have time to discuss with you, we will be with you to take those ideas ahead. We can find ways, even in the pandemic situation, to go ahead. So, all the best to school, and my, again, a sincere request to all of those who are present here and the representatives of the great alumni of Sanjeevan who could not come here or who are attending this live on either YouTube or any other link, to really get into action from now onwards, so that we can do a very memorable 100-year celebration same day next year. Thank you.
Respected teachers and Sanjeevanites. I was in the school in the year 1979. That feels like a lifetime ago. But the first day that I came to the school, I remember the feeling that I had when I walked down this road leading to the dormitories and the bungalow. And it was a feeling of amazement and that this is something fantastic. Today when I parked my car and I saw the trees again, it brought back so many memories. The school has obviously been through a long journey. Sharadnana, Shashitai, Saraltai, all these people have helped the school be where we are today. I remember our teachers, there used to be Hazarni sir, Kusumdai teacher, HTD, STD, Izare sir, and Kumaran sir, Helen teacher, Singh sir. You know, they taught us so many things, and I was here for a short while, 2 years, but I believe that these 2 years were the defining moments of my life, and this is what has shaped what I am today. I think I'm into many ventures. I'm a doctor by training. I am foray into maybe 5 or 6 businesses, but I think that the stint that I had in Sanjeevan helped me to learn how to deal with people, how to take people along, and how to bring out the best in people. I want to thank the school specifically for inculcating the right values in me and teaching us that it is important to take people along with you. There will be differences, you will meet all kinds of people, but you have to see the good in people, work on that, and make everybody benefit from the goodness in everyone else. I think COVID and the last few years have not been so good for the school financially. I know as a party we are honestly making a lot of efforts to try and come out of this. I have spoken to a lot of past students. Many of them contact me. They come up with ideas. All that I want to say is that the school needs help in a big way. The past students should come forward and do whatever they can. I'm not saying that people need to contribute money. Many of you could even give time to the school. With money, the trustees will try and raise what we require for the school. If the past students could come forward, give that time, give some commitment for the school will get back to its old days of glory. Again, I want to thank all of you for being here, and I hope that next year when we meet, we will meet in better and happier circumstances. Thank you.
Namaskar. Good morning to each one of you present here. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion of 99th Commemoration Day of Sanjeevan Vidyalaya Trust. First and foremost, I thank all the members of the Board of Trust, Srimati Shashitai Thakar, Chairperson, Sanjeevan Vidyalaya Trust, Srimati Ananga Devi, Trustee, Shri Avinash Adige, Trustee, and Mr. Balasaheb Patil, who is again a trustee of the school. Lakshmitai Kararkar, President, Panchgani Municipal Hill Council, Mr. Jayant Pawar and Dr. Nicola Pawar, Mr. Bodhi, Public Relation Officer, Sanjeevan Vidyalaya, who despite of their busy schedule have found time to grace the occasion. I take this opportunity to thank all those friends of the school, past students of the school, invitees, special guests who are present on this occasion. In spite of the most difficult situation of COVID-19 pandemic, our sincere thanks to the chairperson, Srimati Shashitai Thakar, our mentor and guide, and our members of the Board of Trustees for their unstinting support. Just as cells help the board to go in the right direction, so is the guidance of our beloved chairperson, Srimati Shashi Thakar. We thank you for your support and motivation for making this 99th Commemoration Day a grand success. My heartfelt thanks to the principal, executive coordinators, section heads, music department, program in charge of various items presented, technology cell headed by Mr. Piyush Shah, mess, maintenance, dispensary accounts, caretaker and Shramjeevi staff for their valuable contribution in all our efforts. How can I forget Dr. Raibakkar and Mrs. Gita Raibakkar, who have taken initiative to present the centenary postal stamp by donating an amount of rupees 12,500. So they are the first donors for the centenary of Sanjeevan Vidyalaya. Our special thanks to Sri B.S. Thipse for donating 100 different varieties of plants as the school enters into the 100th year. Last but not the least, I thank all my dear participants for putting up such a wonderful program on this occasion.